Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you a new stitch. It is super easy and super fun and it goes super fast. I started a baby blanket, so I will put the clip of the video that I have taken to show you how to crochet this lovely stitch. So keep on watching. It's very easy. It's only done on one row. Repeat, go over and over the length that you want, the height that you want, and then you just finish it up. So let's get started. What you need to do is you need to chain multiple of 3, and what I did is I did the foundation Elastic City foundation method, and as you can see it looks so nice and it is stretchy. So I really like it. The stitch is reversible. Both sides are the same. And the texture is just fantastic. So keep on watching for the tutorial. Enjoy! Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a new stitch that I found. And I'm going to be using this yarn. This is the yarn that I bought a couple of months ago, so it's from my stash. And it's called the Lion brand Mandala yarn. And the colorway, I believe, because I bought these in Hanks, I don't know if you remember or not. So I caked them myself, and I have more here. As you can see, the color keeps on going. And there's more here, just to show you, because I couldn't cake it because it was already big enough. So what I'm going to do is, the color is called Troll, Troll, and I think the color, I just searched it up because I wanted to figure out what yarn it is so I can let you know. And it's a 4-weight, I believe. I believe Walmart carries this brand, Lion brand yarn, or Michael's, I'm not quite sure. It's a 3-weight. And if you go and buy it from the store, it's about 150 gram, 590 yards. 540 meters. It's 100% acrylic, machine wash, machine dry. So I'm going to be starting a blanket using this yarn, and so the color is called Troll, Troll, and the number, there's numbers on it. It says 525-220. If you're interested, if you can find it, you're welcome to order this. And I looked at the reviews, and I love this yarn, and I will be buying more, and it goes on and on. Okay, so anyways, for the stitch, the stitches you can chain as long as you want. I believe it's multiple of 3. I'm not quite sure. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm trying with you guys. And crochet hook, I'm going to be it says 5, so I will use the 5. Okay, so I'm going to move this aside, and I want to start with the green, lime green. Isn't this nice? So I'm going to pull this from inside, and a huge thing comes out. Okay, because okay, so what I need to do is I'm going to be using the foundation chain, Elastic City, and I just love it, and I don't have to worry about it getting, shrunk at the bottom. Just love this method, and I would highly recommend you oh, the yarn is dirty, look. See, that's what happens when you buy yarn. Oh, drop my scissors. Okay, let me just cut this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm using my 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. So what I do is I chain 3, I do have tutorials on different, if you want to do single crochet using this method. And I will put the links at the end of the video so you can check on it, or you can just search it up. Okay, on my videos section. Okay, so what I do is I grab it, I pull one, I pull a two, and I pull the remaining yarn over, and I come here at the first where I did pull one. See, pull one, so I'm going to grab this one and then continue on. So this is how I crochet it. So I'm going to crochet about, I don't know, 1 meter, 39 inches long, wide, and I will come back and show you how to crochet the stitch. And this is how it looks like. See? It's not tight at the bottom. And it gives that nice V, see? Okay, so I will be right back. Okay, so I have done just over about 36 inches. That is just over 90 centimeter wide. It's going to be perfect for a baby blanket, newborn baby blanket. Okay, so I'm going to chain one, turn my work. Right here on the first one, I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, you need to chain, if you want to do the chain, you need to chain multiple of 3. We're going to go yarn over, we're going to skip 1, 2, on the third we're going to make a double crochet right here. Okay, yarn over again, make another double crochet on that same chain. Okay, chain 2, we're going to make a single crochet on that same chain. So on that same spot we did 2 double crochets, 2 chained, 1 single crochet. Yarn over again, skip 2 on the third, we're going to repeat this. That's all we're going to make. 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet. And this is how it will look like. So we're going to continue this all the way to the end. Skip 2 on the third, make a double crochet, another double crochet, 2 chain, and then a single crochet. Okay, I'm using a big crochet hook, like I usually don't crochet with a 5, but I want this to be nice and soft. So that's the reason I'm using a big crochet hook, and whichever you're comfortable with, you can use the crochet hook you want. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this all the way to the end. Skip 2 on the third, make a double crochet, and then another double crochet, chain 2, and then a single crochet. Again, skip 2 on the third, make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet. Okay, so I will continue crocheting like this all the way to the end. I will meet you at the end, and it's so easy, so simple. You only do 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet on that same spot, and don't forget, skip 2 on the third. Repeat this all the way to the end. Okay, so I'm almost at the end. So I skip 2 on the third, I make 2 double crochets, 2 chain, and then 1 single crochet. Okay, so again, I'm going to skip 2 on the third right here where the chain is. I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, so we're done the first row, and this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to chain 2, turn my work. Right here where that single crochet is, I'm going to make a single crochet because I want the edge to be nice and smooth. So right here where the 2 chain is, I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet. Okay, and then right here I'm going to skip all the way where that 2 chain is. That's the easiest way for me to show it to you, especially for if you're new to crocheting. It's so easy. So 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet on that same. Even when you count 1, 2, 3, it would be the third if you want to count it. But the easiest way is just jump. Don't bother counting anything, and then just crochet 2 double crochet and that 2 chain, 2 chain, and then 1 single crochet. It's that easy. So as you can see, this is only 1 row repeat. So easy, so simple. It's mindless. You don't have to count anything. You just sit, relax. It's a great therapy stitch. You don't have to worry about losing anything, miscalculating. You just chain like this, and that's all. You just continue crocheting like this all the way, and that's all to it. 2 chain. So always don't forget 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet on that same spot, and this is all we do all the way to the end. Okay, so I will continue crocheting all the way to the end, and I will show you how to finish it and then start a new row. Okay, and this is how it looks like so far. See? Okay, so I'm at the end. This is so fun. Oh my goodness, and the color keeps on changing. Well, this is a second color change. So I did my single crochet, and then automatically I'm going to come here where the single crochet is, and I'm going to make a single crochet right there. Chain 2, turn my work, and repeat the row over and over. This is all to it. See how fun it is? 2 double crochet, just go right into that 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet. I'm going to show it to you one more time, because always, especially new beginners, you get confused, and then you add an extra stitch, and then it goes up, or it goes in, goes out. So we want this nice edge, and then even when you do the border, we want this nice edge to finish it, to give that nice look. So 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet, and you just go into the 2 chain. That's all we do. Okay, so I will continue crocheting 1 single crochet. See, it looks like the slant stitch. I do have a tutorial for that as well. I will put the link below just to give you an idea. It looks like that, but it's 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet. So this is the only different. The other one, I believe, is done in different stitches, if I remember. So I will continue crocheting all the way to the end, and I will show you how to start the new row, and then we'll go from there. So it's just the 1 row repeat like I showed, and this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks from the back and the front. It's reversible. The 2 sides are same. That's the main thing we want, right? Okay, so I will crochet to the end, and I will show you how to do it one more time, and I'll be right back. Jump where the 2 chain is. Okay, so I'm at the end of the row. I'm just loving how this is turning out. Okay, so I did my single crochet. I automatically come where the 2 chain is. I make my 2 double crochet right on that spot, and then I chain 2, and again I make a single crochet, and I jump all the way where the single crochet is right here, and then I make a single crochet. See, I chain 2, turn my work, and I make a single crochet on that same spot to give that nice edge, and then I jump where the 2 chain is, and I repeat it over and over until I have the length that I need. You can make baby blankets, you can make cardigans, you can make dresses. Oh, it's endless. It goes on and on and on. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I wanted to share how it's done. I am going to be crocheting a couple of more rows and I will come back to show you how it looks like, because it's going to take me a while because it is pretty wide for a baby blanket. And I just want to show you how it looks like with more rows and how it's reversible. I just love it, love it, love it how it looks like. Okay, so I will be right back. Okay, so I've been crocheting a couple of rows and this is how it looks like. And this is the back. It's reversible, so it is fantastic. So I hope you like this tutorial. I just wanted to share you a new stitch. For me, it's a new stitch. I haven't seen it. And sometimes what I do is I do tutorials about a new stitch and I forget about it. So I did look into my videos and I haven't seen this. It does look like the slant stitch, but this is done differently again. So I just wanted to share you this new stitch. And I'm going to let you guys go. So happy crocheting, everybody. Stay tuned for my new tutorials that are going to be coming. I have a couple of stitches in mind. And happy crocheting. Take care.